Hey there car enthusiasts and detailers. Today, we're diving into the world of professional car detailing with the Chemical Guys Buff 503X TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to polish paint, remove swirls, scratches, and restore clarity to headlights. TORQX is the dual-action polisher of choice for any beginner, hardcore enthusiast, or professional detailer. With a powerful 700-watt motor, 8mm dual-action orbital throw, and a compact design, this machine delivers powerful and consistent polishing, paint correction, and cleaning results with minimal fatigue and wear on the user. Not only is the TORQX powerful, but it's also compact and versatile. Its simple and intuitive controls, rugged components, and durable build materials make it suitable for single-stage and clear-coat paint finishes, polished metals, glass, and clear optical plastics. And the best part? The TORQX kit ships with the entire range of the V-Line series of compounds and polishes, as well as 3 fan-favorite cutting, polishing, and finishing pads. It's ready to work right out of the box, so you can get straight to achieving professional quality results. So, if you want a simple, lightweight, and powerful machine that can do it all, the Chemical Guys Buff 503X TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit is the perfect choice for you. Don't miss out on the chance to take your car detailing to the next level. Check out the link in the description to get yours today.